Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. So everybody, you see a change of scenery. It is time for a little bit of Spanish. I am not 100%, but I am feeling a little bit better. So I wanted to get out and what? Aprecia cada dia. Aprecia cada dia. That is cherish each day. So even though I'm not 100%, I felt like I wanted to get out of the house and spend some time with my friends. So that's what I'm doing out at Blue Mall. I got my Kleenex box. I got my glass of thermos of orange juice. I got everything I need in order to survive these few hours out of the house. So that is our Spanish for today. Aprecia cada dia. Don't forget, every Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here on YouTube. Hit the like, subscribe, and share button, and turn on your notification bell for your little bit of Spanish. So see you all tomorrow, and take care.